Malacanang cites the arrest of former Bicol Representative Zaldico as a sign of the Marcos administration's sustained crackdown on those involved in the flood control scandal. In a press briefing on Friday, April 17, Palace Press Officer Claire Castro says President Bongbong Marcos was pleased with Co's arrest. She expresses hope that Co would disclose the identities of others potentially involved in the flood control project's anomalies. Marcos earlier confirmed Co had been apprehended near the Czech Republic's border with Germany and has since been in the custody of Czech authorities.
Kung isang tao po ay may warrant of arrest, fugitive, cancel ang passport, sino po ang hindi matutuwa na ang isang taong fugitive ay maibabalik sa Pilipinas para managot? So, ang isang fugitive dapat lamang pong mahuli at sa pangunguna ng Pangulo, na nalaman niya na isang fugitive ay maaari nang maibalik sa Pilipinas, maganda pong balita yan.
The charges filed against Co include malversation of public funds under the revised penal code and violation of the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act. While Castro notes that the government has not declared anyone guilty, she says it was only right that those possibly involved be investigated.
Although wala pa pong inaakusahan ng Pangulo, walang inaakusahan ang gobyerno kung sino ang guilty or not guilty. Pero kung kayo ay nababanggit na maaari may kinalaman, nararapat lamang po na imbestigahan. Ang dapat na tanong dyan ay kung handa ba si Zaldico na magsabi ng katotohanan. Kung handa ba siya na sabihin kung sino. Kung hindi natin sinasabing siya ay guilty. Kung sino ba yung kanyang mga nakasama.
Castro says that Co's arrest should serve as a reminder that the administration remains firm in pursuing those linked to the flood control scandal. Co previously served as the House Committee Appropriations Chairperson. He was allegedly involved in irregularities in a 289.4 million peso flood control project in Oriental Mindoro. Co has denied the allegations against him, saying the charges against him were politically motivated.